What's up, guys? Welcome back to the Educated Barfly. My name is Leandro Demon Riva, and today we're going to be making Bryan's stirred Paloma. So this is a stirred version of the Paloma. It is utilizing the Grapefruit Cordial with the Persian spices that we made in the last video. So if you have not watched that last video, you're going to need to so you can make that. This is the most simple drink that you are ever going to see me make. And I'm going to repeat who Bryan Tsetsorakis is. For those of you who didn't pay attention or maybe skipped in the last video, Bryan Tsetsorakis is a bartender that is now the general manager of Kohl's and Varnish. And as I am the bar manager for Kohl's, he is my boss. He came to Kohl's and Varnish from Polite Provisions in San Diego, which has a stellar bar program. If you are down there or travel there, you should go there. Cool, let's get into it. So this is going to be the simplest drink ever. The first thing we're going to do is we're just going to do 1 ounce of the Grapefruit Cordial and 2 ounces of Blanco Tequila. And then we're going to add our ice. That's it. I'm going to crack an ice, put it up in there. Try not to make too much of a mess. Bam, that was good. There we go. Put a big ice on top. Give it a nice stir. That's about right, I think. Yeah, that's about good. It seems down to temp to me. And then we're just gonna strain it into our coupe. Since there's not a lot of ice in here, it's kind of hard to hold the strainer. There we go. And then we're just gonna add a little pinch of salt. And then I'm just gonna do a lime wheel, and there you have it. Bryan's stirred Paloma. Let's take a sip. Wow. Now, it's like a little, I mean, it's, I had a little of tequila go down the wrong pipe. It is, you got me. You get the tequila, but you get the turmeric and the spices, those Persian spices just like kind of cut through everything, but you get that nice grapefruit flavor with a nice kind of citric kick from the citric acid that we put in there, and then also the lime kind of a nice balances it. It is such a strong flavored cocktail, but really well balanced. I'm a little addicted to it. It's just like so spicy. There's so much stuff going on in there. And there you have it, my friends. Bryan Tsetsorakis' stirred Paloma.